Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're fresh around here, seriously, hit that subscribe button. We're all about finding legit ways to boost your online earnings. Today we're tackling something I've been experimenting with and seeing some real results from, the Shopee affiliate program. I'm going to break down exactly how to get in and, crucially, how to nail those payment details so you actually get paid. Let's jump right in. Forget endlessly scrolling. This is a streamlined process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, fire up your browser, whether you're on a laptop or your phone, and search for affiliate.shopee.com. Shopee's affiliate platform is a powerhouse, especially in Southeast Asia, offering genuinely attractive commissions on a massive range of products. Seriously, millions of items. And the best part? Generating those shareable links is surprisingly simple. To kick things off, you'll need to register. You can log in with an existing Shopee account or create one if you're new to the platform. Once you're in, the registration form is straightforward, but pay attention. Shopee kicks data privacy seriously, and everything you submit will be handled according to their policies. Next up, you'll select your affiliate type. As a content creator, a blogger, a social media guru, or a YouTuber, you'll choose individual. Then comes the important part, linking your most active social media account. This is where Shopee checks your eligibility, so pick the platform where you have the biggest following. They want to see you have an audience. I linked this YouTube channel, which honestly took a bit of tweaking to get right. You'll also need your mobile number, email address, and a referral code. Speaking of which, I've popped mine in the video description below. Feel free to use it. After that, it's the usual drill. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and hit submit. Now, patience is key. I received a confirmation email immediately, but Shopee states profile reviews can take 15 to 30 working days. Honestly, I was bracing for a long wait. But 4 days later, my application was approved. Talk about a pleasant surprise. This just reinforces the point. Highlight the platform where you genuinely engage with your audience. Once approved, you'll find the affiliate program readily available within your Shopee app. Awesome, right? But the journey isn't over. Now we need to talk about payment details. This is where things can get tricky and where I personally stumbled. Navigate to the account section within the affiliate program page, then tap Payment Settings. Listen closely. Accuracy is everything. A single mistake can delay your earnings. And here's a pro tip I learned the hard way. If you edit your details, the 21-day review period resets. Yes, resets. I spent weeks unnecessarily prolonging my approval because I kept fiddling with things. For account type, select individual beneficiary. Your full name needs to be in the correct order. Last name, middle name, then first name. Input your phone number, and then we get to the bank information. I primarily use CBank, and the information you'll need is readily available on their website. For my secondary account, I opted for my BDO savings account. Regarding tax information, select No if you aren't registered. For primary ID, I use my driver's license, and my secondary ID was my PhilHealth ID. When entering your name for tax purposes, exactly match the format on your ID. Seriously, don't deviate. Once everything is inputted, hit submit. And for the love of all things money, do not click edit again. Months later, about 3 months, my tax information finally got the green light. It took a while, largely because of my initial editing mishaps. Remember that 21-day reset? It's a killer. Then a week after that, my payment information was approved. 2 separate approval emails landed in my inbox, and I immediately checked my account. Everything was reflecting correctly with a projected activation date. 3 days later, the emails started flooding in, pending payment notifications. Shopee generates a bill for validation, which you need to acknowledge within the app. Go to Income, find the highlighted reminder, and tap Check. Then click Pending Acknowledgement and Acknowledge. You'll need to do this for each pending payment. When you open the PDF file, you'll see the breakdown of expanded withholding tax deducted from your commission. For example, on a 2,293 pesos and 72 cents commission, the tax deduction was 229 pesos and 37 cents. From July 1st, 2024 to June 30th, 2025, my total commission through the Shopee affiliate program was a sweet 50,114 pesos and 49 cents. It's a fantastic way to supplement your income, and honestly, it's been a game changer for me. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to joining the Shopee affiliate program and setting up your payment details correctly. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with your friends. And please, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future money-making opportunities. Thanks for watching.